Welcome, as usual. Welcome to my channel. I welcome you all in to see this demonstration of some of the stitches or patterns that are available on the Brother SE425 machine. Yes, you have seen me download designs from other websites to actually embroider out as part of my collab. This is not a collab. I'm not paying for this one, paid for this one, or I don't get any royalties. Not at this time. However, this is my machine that I use for my embroidery. And again, it is my Brother SE425 embroidery and sewing machine. And it has several designs on it. I've already set one up that we're going to do today. We're going to do the first design, and it has actually 7 colors, which I have color changes, which I've already pre-selected so that we can move this along. So what I'd like you to see is exactly how the stitches flow as we go through this demonstration, and then you'll see the finished product at the end. So the first color is called Persian blue. I just selected a blue I thought might be Persian blue, and I'm going to go ahead and thread the machine with it. It is simple enough. You're going to put the thread on the thread caddy right here, and just follow the lines, hook that, you go behind, just go right behind here, just bring this down, bring it up on the right side and bring it over and down, back down on the left side, hook it under here, near the needle, there's a little hook, hook it under there, take it through the needle threader right here, depress the threader lever, which is right here, and it threads the needle for you. All you got to do is separate that little loop and you're done. You're ready to go. So I think what I'm going to do, I'm going to see if I can adjust this. Let's see if it will go up. Okay, so it's telling me that's as far up as it can go. Let's see how far to the left we can go. That's it. Okay, and go back to my layout. I've already removed the presser foot from here. Not the presser foot, the foot for the energy foot, so that I can just use the go button right here on the front of the machine. So bring this a little bit so you can see this. Kind of put you over my shoulder rather than in front of me. And I'm gonna hold the thread, lower the presser foot, and tell this baby to start sewing. Just start sewing. I let it go about 4 or 5 stitches, and then I go in and clip the thread. So this is forming the first step, which is actually the letter W for the welcome. Kind of a fancy W. I am using a poly cotton tea towel to embroider this onto. And I started in the upper left-hand corner only because I'm just going to be using this particular tea towel just to demonstrate various designs from the Brother SE425 embroidery and sewing machine, also known as the Enthusiast. It is my go-to machine. It can do so much more So I just stick with this one machine and then I'm good. Okay, so now it's calling for a white thread. The machine automatically clips the thread for you. So now I'm going to change this. I wasn't sure if I wanted to do white here because it's probably not going to show up. So I'm thinking I should probably choose, I am going to choose another color that's not as, it's not harsh. So I'm going to use this instead of the white. You might say that looks pretty white, but it's kind of a off peachy pink color. So I'm going to put that in there. I don't think it will hurt the design or have an effect on the outcome of the design. So it will be perfectly fine. For my bobbin, I am just using the white thread. So let's again put that through the threader. And this makes your life so much easier, that automatic threader. You don't have to sit there and beep, beep, beep. Okay, let's go. Okay, and here we are. And the next color is going to be a fuchsia. So we'll put this in here. Like as I said, there's 7 colors, and it sounds like a lot, but stick with me, stay to the end, because it's really going to be fast, because most of the colors are just small areas. They don't cover a great amount of area. So yeah, stick with me, and you'll see this design work out in just a matter of minutes. Here we go again. Carefully works out the design piece by piece. It's a cute little motif right there. Okay, told you we would have another color coming, and it's going to be deep rose. So going to be this color that I chose. So we just have to find the end. Sometimes if you rub it just a little bit, it'll release it. I believe that's it right there. Sorry guys, sorry for the little delay right here. Okay. So here we go. Always have your backup ready to go nearby, just in case little things like that happen. So here I'm adding my deep rose thread, and we're off and sewing again. Okay, so when that happens, you can always step back. The thread broke, but I'm going to rethread the machine and I'll be right back. It's almost looking like a cross-stitch style embroidery. It says welcome home. Okay, another color change. And this time we're going to a light brown. And I just put this on, same thing. If anyone wants to donate a Brother multi-needle sewing machine to my business, I would greatly appreciate it. Maybe I'll start a GoFund so that I can get my business, propel my business forward. All donations are appreciated. Super chats and super stickers are available. Don't forget to like and subscribe to this video. And we have two more color changes and then we're done. And as you can see, it pretty much says what it's going to say. I'll ask you to stay to the end so I can clean it up and then show you what it looks like once we've removed all of the leader threads. And yeah. Okay. Okay, and then one more, and then we're done. Stay tuned for more videos on embroidery designs you get that are included with your Brother SE 425. And yeah, if you have one of these machines, tell me in the comments below how you like your machine, how long you've had your machine. I've had my machine since 2015, and this year's 2024, so obviously these machines last long. I've never had to take it for maintenance, but I have done my own, basic cleaning, like, removing lint and, a few drops of oil here and there that need to be done. Okay, machine lets me know that it's finished sewing. I'm gonna remove this from the hoop. I'll let you see it before I go ahead and remove the leader threads, and I'll be right back. Okay, guys, here we are. The embroidery is complete, and as you can see, it says, "Welcome to our home." And it has a little butterfly or a little, yeah, over here on the side. And the colors are nice. It actually looks like cross stitch. It's pretty neat on the back. I just have to finish removing the stabilizer. It's pretty good. Came out pretty good. You could use this on table napkins, or you could make a little sign for your front door, anything like that. So, yep. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and look out for more videos regarding the embroidery section of the Brother SE425 sewing and embroidery machine. And thank you for being here. All donations are welcome. I am Touchress Designs, also known as Rochelle Vanterpool. And remember, every day above ground is a good day, so you may as well enjoy it. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.